How to book your Delhi hotel room by using mobile app? Welcome, let's move on. How to book your Delhi hotel room by using mobile app? First, you have to install the Delhi Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. And the link is look like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install this Delhi Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And this is the Delhi Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon. After you have installed this Delhi Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Delhi hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Delhi for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now when you come to Google Play Store, you install this Delhi Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. After you have installed, look at this green color icon button here, just tap on it or click on it and it will open the Delhi Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And look for the first row here in the middle of this icon showing hotel booking, tap on it and then it will redirect you to the hotel room booking platform to display you the hotel room. Okay, the hotel room of the popular Delhi hotel room list for you to select or choose which hotel room you want to reserve. Okay, let me change my internet connection first. Okay, now let me enlarge the screen for your easy viewing. Okay, now this is the Delhi hotel room booking page. Okay, you can search the hotels in Delhi by filling up your check-in date and check-out date and also rooms for how many persons, then tap on search. Or you can browse through the list of the popular Delhi hotel here, okay, from this list, and you can refer to their rating score. Okay, this one is very good, 8.1, exceptional 10, good, and mostly 3 star. And look at the star rating here. Okay, you can browse through the list. Okay, here showing all got 11 hotels in Delhi. Okay, now let's say I want to book this hotel room called the Mansion at Red Hill. This one is exceptional 10 marks. This hotel located at Delhi, Louisiana. Okay, let me tap on this view deal, and then you will redirect me to the Mansion at Red Hill, and I can browse through the hotel room here. This hotel room photo of this mansion at Red Hill. Okay, wow, so nice. Okay, now I can read the description of this hotel room, and the mark is 10 mark, reviewed by 8 guests. Okay, scroll down and look at the hotel feature here. Okay, and then I can look at the rating summary here. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel room. I just come here, select my travel dates. Let's say I select March 4th and child delivery as 5th of March. Rooms for 2 adults, tap on check availability and prices. Okay, now here showing the different package from different hotel room booking provider with a different price. Let me tap on compare for more website to look for more options here. Okay, I can browse through the list. Let's say I want to book this hotel room by selecting, for example, let's say it's a booking.com, just this one, because this one got show breakfast included and free cancellation. Let me tap on this meal deal and it will redirect me to the booking.com hotel room booking provider platform. Okay, and then it will show me the booking.com page. Okay, now let's say I want this hotel to mention at Redhill. Tap on it, and then it will redirect me to the page. This mentioned at Redhill Hotel room, okay, reserved for 1 night. And here is the description of this hotel room with facility of free parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly food and drink, a golf course, 2 miles. Okay, you can read the review here by the guests. Okay, and then that breakfast included, free cancellation. Okay, let's say I want to reserve this room, queen room with garden view. Just tap on it, then 2 guests, and then tap on next step. Okay, after that, scroll down. Okay, look at the check-in date and check-out date of the hotel room, the details, the price, and the text. And then I enter my details. For demonstration purpose, I will enter my first name and last name, and then my email address. Okay, then I think I'm the main guest. Let's input my address. Okay, this one, because I mentioned it, you require my address for identification. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, happy apartment, city. This is from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Phone number 123456789. It's for demonstration purpose. Need more reason to stay? Here tell me why I want to stay into this hotel. Scroll down to the bottom. Arrival time, leave it I don't know. Are you traveling forward? Optional, leave it blank. If I have any special request, if I have, I will just write here in English. I just want to leave it blank. Okay, now I just tap on go to the final step. Then it says it will send verification code for me to verify. Okay, but after you have done this, then it will redirect me to the payment page for me to input my payment details such as credit card information. Once I input the credit card information, then it will then tap on the next step, next button, confirm booking. Submit the confirm booking details to book the hotel room, and I will receive the email, and you also will receive the email of the hotel room booking. Okay, once it has been done, tap on done, and you will exit. Okay, now you can explore more on this Delhi Tour Guide mobile app. Tap on the top places to explore more what are the other tourists will visit when they come to have holiday vacation at Delhi. Okay, let me recap again. Where can you download this Delhi Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app? Okay, go to Google Play Store. Okay, or you can click on this link below this video description here, or you can scan this QR code here to install this Delhi Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app to book your hotel room at Delhi before traveling to Delhi for vacation and holiday with your friends and family. Okay, finally, thanks for watching. Remember to like this video, share this video with your friends. Okay, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.